How to check timeline on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to check timeline on Facebook, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Facebook, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Select on your profile over here, and as you select on your profile, it will lead you to your profile section. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of what's on your mind, where you can basically create posts, and below that is what you can see the option of manage post. So let's tap on manage post, and as you tap on it, you can see these are all the timelines of your profile, where you can see the posts that you have done, that you have been tagged on, and so on. Now if you want to see the filtered or the timeline from a particular date, you can tap on the filters option at the top left corner of the screen and just select the date range. You can just tap on everything over here. You can select over here, let's tap on posted by you. You can select the date over here and then tap on OK, and then just tap on done, and you'll be able to see the timeline on Facebook over here like that as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.